Building a professional website can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not a tech wizard or don't have hours to spare. But what if there was a way to skip the headaches and get a fully functional WordPress site in just 60 seconds? That's where ZipWP comes in, a groundbreaking AI-driven website builder designed to make your life so much easier. Imagine typing a short description of your business or project and watching as an entire website complete with stunning designs, engaging copy, and relevant images is generated for you. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to be diving into everything ZipWP has to offer, its features, benefits, and even a few potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the perfect tool to kickstart your website. Let's get into it. So, starting off with some of the key features of ZipWP. AI-driven website creation. A standout feature is its ability to create a fully functional WordPress website in just 60 seconds. All you need to do is provide a brief description of your business or project, and the AI takes care of the rest. This means you can skip the usual lengthy setup process and focus on refining your site instead of starting from scratch. Stunning website designs. ZipWP offers a variety of pre-designed templates that look professional and modern. These templates are fully responsive, meaning your site will look great on any device. If you're someone who struggles with design, this feature takes the guesswork out of creating a site that not only functions well, but also looks visually stunning. Persuasive copy generation. The AI doesn't just build your site, it also writes content for you. This includes headlines, product descriptions, service pages, and so much more, all tailored to the information you provide. The generated copy is designed to engage visitors and drive action, whether that's making a purchase, booking a service, or just simply contacting you. This feature is a lifesaver for anyone who finds writing difficult or time-consuming. AI assistant for customization. Once your site is created, ZipWP doesn't leave you hanging. Its AI assistant helps you fine-tune your website to match your exact preferences. Want to change the colors or update the layout or swap out the images? The assistant walks you through these adjustments step by step. So even if you're not tech savvy, it is so simple. Integration with WordPress plugins. Because ZipWP is built on WordPress, you can expand your site's functionality with plugins. Whether you need an SEO tool, an e-commerce platform, or a social media integration, the WordPress ecosystem has you covered. Freedom to choose hosting. Unlike some website builders that lock you into their hosting plans, you can actually decide which provider you prefer. This is a huge advantage if you're particular about where you host. Now, let's go over some of the pros and cons of ZipWP. Starting off with the pros. Saves time like never before. The biggest advantage is just how much time it saves. Building a WordPress site traditionally can take hours or even days on end, but ZipWP condenses this process into a minute. Beginner-friendly interface is another pro. The platform is incredibly easy to use, even for those with no technical background. You don't need to know anything about coding or design. It will take care of everything for you. Another pro is the high-quality content and design. The AI-generated designs and copy are professional and polished, giving your website a great first impression. The flexibility with hosting and customization is also just two huge wins and two huge pros as well. You can customize your site further with plugins or transfer it to the hosting provider of your choice. Now, let's go over some of the cons. First off, there are limited features in the free plan. While the free version is a great way to try it out, it doesn't include all of the advanced tools or customization options. Another con is the AI isn't perfect. Although the AI does a great job of creating a functional and visually appealing site, it might not always get everything right. So some of the generated content or design elements might require tweaking to fully align with your brand. Less personalized design is another con. While the templates are beautiful and professional, they might not feel as unique as a custom designed site. So for users who want completely one-of-a-kind website, it might not be the best option to check every single box. Dependence on WordPress knowledge for advanced users. Although beginners will find ZipWP incredibly easy to use, more advanced users who want to deeply customize their site might need prior knowledge of WordPress to make the most out of the platform. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the different pricing options. So if you want to get the best price possible, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description. So once you click on that, you'll be brought to this page and we'll go ahead and take a look at the pricing. So here you can see they have a couple options here. So this is a no subscription and you just pay per use. So this is for hobbyists crafting a simple website without the need for professional tools. So this is just a one-time fee of $79. Right now it's usually $99. So with this plan, you get 5 AI site generation tools, 10,000 AI credits total, and access to premium designs. Next is the Pro plan, and this is for freelancers to enhance their productivity and workflow. This is $199 a year, and you get 5 AI site generations per day, 20,000 credits monthly, access to premium designs, as well as instant WordPress test sites, 10 staging sites, 10 gigabytes of disk space, and 5 blueprint sites. Lastly is the business, and this is the recommended plan, and this is $399 a year, usually $4.99 a year. So this is for anyone who wants to transform their productivity and impress their clients. So what is included in this plan is 10 AI site generations per day, 100,000 AI credits monthly, access to premium designs. You also get professional tools like instant WordPress test sites, 20 staging sites, 20 gigabytes of disk space, 10 blueprint sites, as well as AI website mind map builder, AI wireframe builder, white label domain, as well as team features. So they also do have a free plan as well. So if you wanted to check it out for free, you can go ahead and do that as well. So to get signed up, all you have to do is sign up with your email or go ahead and sign in with Google as well. Now, I wanted to show you what it looks like once you're logged in, just so you have an idea of what the site looks like. So here you can see it's very simple to use. Your dashboard is right here, and then you've got your staging sites, blueprints, projects, and then to create a site, all you have to do is create new. You can start off with a blank WordPress site or a complete website. And all we have to do, I'll quickly show you, and then next, and then you can write using AI. Again, I didn't even type anything in. Next, and then we'll just skip this for now. You can upload your own images. You can, just search like wellness, go ahead and click next. And then here you can see it generates a ton of different options to choose from. So it really is that quick and simple. That took about 5 seconds and I didn't even have to write anything. So super simple, super effective. So if you want to get started and get the best price possible, I highly recommend acting fast, but I've left that link in the description for you to get started and check it out for yourself. You can even get started for free. Okay, so who is ZipWP for? It's perfect for anyone who needs a professional website quickly without the hassle. So maybe you're a small business owner looking to establish your online presence, or maybe you're a freelancer wanting to showcase your portfolio, or maybe even you're someone just launching a side hustle. ZipWP makes this process fast and simple. I know building a website can feel like a daunting task, especially if you're not a designer or don't have much time to spare. That's where ZipWP comes in. It takes the hassle out of the process by giving you a solid baseline to start with. In just 60 seconds, as I showed you, you'll have a fully functioning WordPress site, complete with professional designs and content tailored to your needs. That being said, while ZipWP does an amazing job getting started, you'll definitely want to spend some time tweaking the content and design to make sure it fully reflects your brand. So again, if you are ready to check out ZipWP, make sure you use that link in the description to get started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best tools to grow your online presence and make your journey so much easier. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.